If you're looking for that cute house with curb appeal, an open floor plan, and a really large lot, not to mention having completely been renovated only 2 years ago, look no further. 1452 Lochner Drive in San Jose in the 95127 Alum Rock. This house, absolutely stunning. It's literally the best deal in San Jose. When I talk about the curb appeal, not only has it been completely painted on the outside and has a newer roof, it has an amazing look to it as you drive up to the 3-car driveway in front of the 2-car garage. Plenty of parking. You also have a front courtyard, which pairs really nicely with this neighborhood. As you walk into the house itself, everything has been done completely renovated from top to bottom. We're talking about LVP flooring throughout the entire home, new trim, new doors, new hardware, 2-year-old kitchen with stainless steel appliances, gorgeous Calcutta marble looking quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, plenty of storage, including a pantry right off of the kitchen. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with about 1,000 square feet, a lot of ample space for your bedrooms, a really nice size primary ensuite, bathrooms equally remodeled, really nice modern look with quartz counters, shaker cabinets for the vanity, as well as having a glass door, quartz enclosure around the walls, tiled niche for your shampoo and soap, almost giving you that spa-like feeling. Most homes this age do not have enough light coming in. In addition to plenty of natural light coming in from the double pane windows, you also have overhead lighting in every single room. Being that the whole house was renovated 2 years ago, not only do you have a strikingly gorgeous interior, you also have a lot of capital upgrades as well. Copper plumbing, updated windows, the roof is in great shape, central air conditioning and heating, only 2 years old. So when I say this property is move-in ready, it's not your average exaggeration. This is really a perfect home where you virtually have to do nothing once you get here. Let's talk a little bit about the backyard. Really nice patio right off of the kitchen where you can have friends and family barbecues and the like, plus a grass area for your kids to play. It's completely surrounded with planter beds where you could have your garden. Newer fences all the way around, and the backyard with its size and the way that it's laid out is perfect for entertaining, which is perfect for this neighborhood. Speaking of this neighborhood, you really are on one of those very nice streets, trees all the way down, parking up and down the street, and there's a really high level of maintenance of all your neighbors as well. You are gonna wanna hang out on the front patio as well and just get to know the people around here. Now, the greater overall area, we are in the Alum Rock neighborhood of San Jose, which is known for a lot of really great things. Number one, ease of grocery shopping, from your Mexican tiendas to your Asian markets to your regular stores like Safeway and Lucky. You're close to Costco, a lot of dining, East Ridge Mall, which is known for being a high-end place for shopping and dining. Now, there's plenty of parks around here too, my favorite being Alum Rock Park, which is really not far away, where there's hiking, there's biking, places to have picnics, even horseback riding. How could I forget, we're really close to Lake Cunningham Park, which is adjacent to Calabunga, formerly known as Raging Waters. Or a hop, skip, and a jump to downtown San Jose, which is known for shopping and dining. It's about 5 to 6 miles from here, and we're close to the San Jose airport, which is literally an international airport to fly out to anywhere you need to go. When you're talking about the Silicon Valley, one of the most attractive and important things is that we are literally in the most vibrant employment center in the entire world. This location is great for commute to all the tech companies that have made this area world famous. Apple, Google, Facebook, now known as Meta, Amazon, all of these companies that go on and on are all within a great commute location from here, and it's getting easier as BART is being extended just down the road. From the standpoint of affordability, a really nice livable house, and a great location, 1452 Lochner is a home run. Thanks for watching this video presentation, and we'll see you at the open house.